Hey everyone, welcome to the 5th session of our Beginner Sibelius course. Today, I'll set up a score for Mozart's Eine, Kleine, Nachtmusik. When you open Sibelius, you'll see the Quick Start window. To create a new score, go to New Score and select Blank. In the Document Setup section, choose your paper size. I'll set it to A4 paper. Next, click Change Instruments to select the instruments for your project. Since this piece is for a string orchestra, I'll choose a string section. Double-click the instrument names to add them to your project. So, first violin, second violin, viola, cello, and contrabass. So, you'll see the added instruments on the right side under Staves in Score. Once they're all added, click OK. So, in the Time Signature Setup section, choose the time signature. The first movement of this piece is in common time, or 4/4, so I click on it. We don't need an upbeat, so we can skip that. Then tempo. Set the tempo to allegro. For key signature, choose G major. Sibelius will automatically insert the key signature. In the title section, enter the name of the piece. Eine, Kleine, Nachtmusik. Okay. Finally, enter the composer's name. Mozart. So, when everything is set, click Create, and your project will be ready for note entry. See you in the next videos.